Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use iCloud Private Relay for better online privacy. So make sure you will have iOS device of any model of iPhone, and we will move in the iPhone settings right over here. And if you just scroll down, and in the last you will see the iCloud option, and we will get in. And now you will just have to scroll down, and here is the option of private relay. So it will be just like protect your IP address and browsing actively in Safari, and protect your encrypted internet traffic so that no one can, including Apple, can see who you are or what sites you are visiting. So this is about the iCloud private relay privacy. So how it's possible to turn it on? It is only turn it on when you just have to upgrade to iCloud Plus. So you will have to purchase the GBs of here monthly, and when you just subscribe it, so it will be just show the private relay option, and you will have to just turn it on simply. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.